and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're building something truly special, a blooming lotus fountain that doubles as a beautiful sanctuary for fish. We'll be using cement and natural elements to create a stunning centerpiece that's both functional and eye-catching. Let's get started. First things first, we need some natural inspiration. Here we are by a tranquil pond, where we'll carefully collect some lotus leaves and seed pods. We want to minimize our impact on the environment, so we'll only take what we need. Back at the workshop, we'll give these beauties a good rinse to remove any debris. Now they're ready for the next step. This is where the magic happens. We'll create sand molds to capture the intricate details of the lotus leaves. We'll sift some sand for a smooth texture and then carefully shape it into mounds. Gently pressing the leaves onto the sand creates an imprint of their veins and structure. Time to bring these molds to life. We've prepared a special cement mixture that we'll pour onto the sand molds, ensuring it fills every detail impressed by the leaves. This will form the base of our concrete lotus leaves. For added strength, we'll embed some wire mesh into the cement before it dries completely. Once it sets, we'll carefully remove the leaves from the sand molds. A quick grind will smoothen any rough edges, leaving us with beautiful concrete lotus leaves. Now let's shift gears and focus on the lotus seed pods. Just like the leaves, we'll clean and prep them before creating plaster molds. This involves pouring a plaster mixture over the pods to capture their unique shape perfectly. After the plaster hardens, we'll carefully break open the molds to reveal detailed casts of the seed pods. These will be used to create stunning concrete replicas for our fountain. Here comes the fun part. We'll fill the plaster molds with the same cement mixture we used for the leaves. Once dry, we'll gently remove the concrete seed pods and trim any excess material. Now for the backbone of our fountain. Steel rods will be cut and bent to resemble the graceful stem and branches of a lotus plant. We'll then weld them together for a sturdy framework. This is where the artistry comes in. We'll carefully attach the concrete lotus leaves and seed pods to the steel frame using cement and wire. Precision and attention to detail are key for a natural and aesthetically pleasing arrangement. Let's bring our creation to life with some color. We'll apply a base coat of black paint to the entire structure for a dramatic effect. Then, we'll add accents of blue and green to the lotus leaves and pods, transforming them into stunning focal points. We're almost there. Now it's time to create the foundation for our fountain. We'll build a wooden frame, line it with plastic to prevent sticking, and then pour in the concrete mix. After smoothing the surface, we'll let it cure before removing the frame. Once the base is prepped, we can finally secure the concrete lotus flower and stem onto it with cement. To complete the look and ensure water resistance, we'll give the concrete base a two-tone paint job, black first, followed by a vibrant blue top coat. Let's illuminate this beauty. We'll solder together some LED lights and connect them to a power source. Placing them strategically inside the fountain will create a mesmerizing effect once the water starts flowing. Speaking of water, we'll install a pump to ensure a steady stream that cascades over our lotus creation. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, introducing the fountain's new residents. With great care, we'll use a net to gently add some fish to their new home. Watch them explore their surroundings and swim around the beautiful lotus flowers. As the sun sets, our lotus fountain truly comes alive. The LED lights illuminate the water, creating a magical reflection on the lotus flowers. The fish continue to explore their haven, adding a touch of life and movement to this stunning centerpiece. There you have it! A blooming lotus fountain that's not only beautiful, but also a thriving sanctuary for fish. This project combines natural elements with a touch of DIY magic for a truly unique outcome. We hope this video inspired you to create your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative projects like this one.